All right, so you get 2 of these fish, and then you also get 2 of these pegs. When I first got it, I was kind of confused. I thought like it screwed in here somewhere, but it actually screws right into the fish, and you can screw it into either side. For mine, there you can see it in action now. My little dog can get through, but I don't really care. She cannot. She eats everything she finds on the floor. She has just enough room to watch. So anyway, you screw it in. I do the 3rd spot here. And then you just stick it on the knob. Pops on there. It can hang down when you're not using it. And I'm pretty sure you can do it on either side, the inside knob or the outside. I do the inside so you can't see it when it's not there, but you just latch it in the little hole. And then your cats can get in. If you got fat cats, you can make it a little bit bigger. If your dogs, if you don't want your small dogs going in, you could put it in one more notch, I guess. But I love it. Keeps the dogs out of the litter box. So we had an issue with our dog coming into this bathroom, and this is where our cat eats and goes to the bathroom. And she was eating all of his food, and I didn't want something that you had to unscrew this and like latch it on, and I wanted something super affordable, and these were about $9 for 2 of them, and you just pop it out, and then you can go in the room. These literally can fit on any door handle. We have these door handles, and we have other types, and they all fit. And the nice part is that these are adjustable. We picked this one because then our dog can't get through, but our cat can. And yep, super easy and adjustable. And you just pop it in like that. Dog can't get in. Cat can get in perfectly fine. And then once you want to get in, just boom, pop it out. Super easy, super affordable, no screws. You don't need to ruin this part. And it was probably like the biggest lifesaver we ever had.
Okay, this thing is the bomb. It really works really well. This is my little cat room, and it just hooks over the door. Let me see, that's better. You there, just hooks right over your door, and then you just you can adjust how much give you want, and then boom. Look, I can still turn off the light. But yeah, that makes it so handy. Wonderful, wonderful thing. I did buy another one that was really fancy, and it broke right away. It was a totally different system. Very simple, works really well. Highly recommend.
The threads are not the right size for the screw hole, so you can't screw it in any farther. You could try a wrench, but you can tell that the screw threads are not right. And then even if they were, this part is smooth right here on the door. So if it's sitting right there, it slides right off. If you get it high enough, it doesn't right away. But dog puts any pressure on that, it pops right open.
girl. Come inside. Good girl.